Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to like a video on TED. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to like a video on TED. Maybe because you really liked the video, it really inspired you, and you found something really interesting in the video. So you just like give it a thumb up, or maybe you want to like appreciate the speaker, or maybe whoever created the video. You just want to show love to the video, so you just want to like it so its rating could increase, or it could be any other reason for you to like a video on that. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the TED app. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it. And right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Now simply tap on the icon of the TED app to open it. The TED app actually takes a while to open and to load all the information of the account. And once it's done with the buffering, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. On the screen we have a lot of videos, and at the bottom we have different options, and at the top right side we have a profile icon. So if you want to like any video, first you have to find that video. So you can find videos from your home page, or you can go to the browse section, and from there you can search for the videos. So first we will see how we can find a video. As we are here on the home screen, so we will just explore some videos, and if we find a video that is interesting, we will see how we can like it. So there is a video in front of the screen, and I think it's a very good video. So first what we'll do is that we will tap onto that video, and when that video opens, we will see how we can save it. So first tap on it, and now the video has just opened. So you can read its title, its description, and once you're done with all that, at the middle of the screen, we have four options. The first option is a like option, which also has a heart with it. So if you click onto that option, so this video will get a like. That means it will be included as your liked video on that app. So once you tap on it, its color will be changed from nil to white color. That means this video has been liked by you. Now we will get back to the home screen, and there we will look for another video, and after that, once we find a video, we will tap on it, and there we will again see the like option. So now you just have to simply click on that like white heart, and it will be turned into fully filled white heart. That means that video is now the like video by you on your account. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can like a video on that. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.